Ooh, what is this? This wiggly thing is called Leishmania. It is a teeny tiny parasite that causes a disease, leishmaniasis. It is named after William Leishman, a Glaswegian doctor serving with the British Army in India in 1901.
Oh.
When looking under the microscope, he discovered the parasite in the spleen of a British soldier in Dum Dum, a town near Calcutta. Today, we know of over 20 different Leishmania species that can cause various different symptoms. Some species infect the skin, causing nasty ulcers and lesions. Others can spread to your mouth and nose and can eat away your nose and soft palate. Sounds terrible, right? Well, it gets worse. Some Leishmania parasites can spread through the whole body, infecting bone marrow, liver and spleen, which become larger so that the belly starts to swell. You also develop fever. If untreated, you can die. Leishmania can be found all over the world. For example, in South America, the Middle East, Southern Europe, and some parts of Southern Asia. People get infected by the bite of a sandbite that carries the parasites.
Ow!
Of course not as big as this one, a little bit smaller. While the sandfly feasts on our blood, the Leishmania parasites gets into our skin. Here the nasty intruders are mopped up by scavenger cells, called macrophages. All is well? Well, not exactly. A macrophage is like a cellular version of Pac-Man, seeking out and gobbling up invaders. Under normal conditions, harmful bacteria or invaders are engulfed and digested by the cells, similar to how food gets digested in our stomach. Unfortunately for us, Leishmania loves macrophages. It lives in them and gets really comfy. But how does Leishmania avoid being digested? Inside the macrophage, the parasites are in a compartment called phagosome. In a further compartment called lysosome, digestive machinery is waiting to chop up the parasite into pieces when both compartments come together. However, Leishmania is clever. While it delays the fusion of the two compartments, it changes its shape to become a more resistant cell called a mastigote. Much like we would put on some armor before going to battle. These cells are much better adapted to living inside hostile conditions. Mastigotes are not only resistant to some digestive molecules, but can even inhibit or deactivate them. Because Leishmania is so well adapted to live in our cells, it has been infecting humans for centuries. In pre-Incan Ecuador, ancient Syria, and was found in mummies of Egyptian pharaohs. Who knows? Maybe it was a cause of death.